Hello everyone, let's learn how to fade in and fade out a video in CapCut. Fade in is a transition effect that can show video images slowly from dark black to normal, while fade out is the opposite, which is an effect that can hide video images slowly from normal to dark black. To learn how to do it, watch this video till the end. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open CapCut app on your device and add a video like new project. When you do that, go to select the video you add on layer. That will open a tools bar on the bottom of the screen, and next you need to click on animation button, that is third option in tools bar. Now CapCut app, open a side menu with bunch animation and make sure you are select in animation. After that, scroll to the right to find a fade in animation, and when you find, click on it. I recommended to always select the time of animation to 1.5 second. On the other hand, make sure you are select out animation. Now repeat the process from before, so scroll to the right to find fade out animation, and when you find, click on it. And finally, that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.